Hello everyone, now this is going to be an important video for people who are preparing for the CAT exam at their home. Either you have joined the institution or whether you are preparing on your own, whether you are a repeater, whether you are a fresher. You can be a part of MBAP family where all the mentors of MBAP can guide you to clear the CAT examination. All what you need to do is follow a couple of things. What we do free of cost for all the students on all the social platforms is we give you the access of all the CAT content and we train you live on the social platforms also at the same time. There are a couple of things which you need to do to be a part of MBAP family who will guide you consistently and persistently throughout the CAT journey and the other management examination journey. Is the first thing which I want you to do is subscribe to the given channel called as MBAP on which you are viewing this video as of now. Why I say so? Because every day of the given week, 7 days I'm talking about, evening 8 to 9 p.m. we take open webinars for all the students. That's important for you. Why it's important? Because all the top-notch mentors who are from IIMS and MIMS and Symbiosis will take you a live session and we'll try to solve all the previous year CAT questions also together with all of you to a level of extent that we'll decode to the most simplified manner the given topic of math, logic and English, and we'll give you the most simplest understanding of the given topics. We also take management talks and young leadership club talks where the previous year toppers and the alumni of the given college will come online in the given week and will discuss the preparation plan, and your career guidance plan will also be scheduled. So it's a humble request for people to subscribe to the given channel, and along with subscription please hit the bell icon so that you get the notification every time we come live on the YouTube. Second, follow our Instagram handle which is MBA_Pathshala, where all the possible current affairs and the MBA important news with respect to application forms, college deadlines, the exam dates, so on and so forth, so many things will be discussed, be it on the level of news, be it on the daily current affairs, be it strategy videos, everything we follow there also. So to be relevantly updated with respect to all the current affairs and the happenings of MBA involvement, the higher education segment, follow us on this Instagram also. And the most important, if you generally want to learn live with us, I can invite you for the free night class. This is a MBAP free night class for the year 2020 which happens on WhatsApp. So 3 days in a week, we will see 11 p.m. Onwards, the stalwarts of MBAP who are alumni of XLRI, IIMS and MIMS take live shortcut and strategy sessions for the CAT examination and the non-CAT exam also. So wherever you are, at least the WhatsApp access will be available with you. So you can be a part of MBAP learning at the most easiest and the most convenient manner. What I want you to follow all the possible 3 things, subscribe to the given channel, follow us on Instagram, and in the description box you will find a link of the WhatsApp free night class group. If you are unable to find, please put as a comment box. The team will help you out with the access of the same. By doing this, we can help you out with the assurance that we will be there throughout the CAT journey and the exams which you are planning to give in the year 2020 and the upcoming years also. If you have any query or comment, you can put it into the comment box so that I can go through it and I can help you out with those answers. I wish you all the very best for this upcoming exam series, and stay tuned. Thank you so much.